Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Aquarius. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Aquarius. What's going on, Aquarius? Lot of thinking. Communication is coming for you, Aquarius. 8 of Wands. Someone want to communicate with you. It could be a past person, it could be a new person, but there is communication is coming, and there is some shift is also coming, and it is coming very fastly. 8 of Wands. For some traveling also involved in this connection, and Knight of Cups. So this person is very romantic and they have romantic feelings towards you, and this person is in slow moving energy. For some it could be a new person, for some it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. I'm saying for some two persons, one could be past and another could be new. So let's see your reading, Aquarius. Recent past, 3 of Pentacles, 8 of Swords and the Hangman. I think there is no collaboration, there is no partnership between you and your person, Aquarius. You only the person always taking care of this relationship. So you are feeling stuck, you're feeling exhausted, especially you are feeling stuck and you are fed up with that energy. For some you are spiritually awakening also. Then present the Hermit, 7 of Wands and Queen of Pentacles. So you are undergoing some transformation, you are isolated from all and seeing everything in detail, and you are very defensive right now. Yes. And Queen of Pentacles, you are decided to focus on yourself, especially on your career, on your abundance. Yes, Queen of Pentacles. I think you are very sharing and caring person, but now you only focusing on your money and your career after the transformation. Then future, 7 of Cups, 6 of Swords and 2 of Wands. So lot of confusion. For some you have options also. Maybe you decided to move on from this person, but there is some communication is coming to fix the things. And 2 of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, but you still thinking about someone or something a lot. Yes, for some you have options, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Virgo. So let's see your person current feelings and the true intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, 9 of Pentacles. Maybe right now they are busy with their career for some, and for some your person is very abundant and very stable in finances. And Ace of Wands. So they are still attracted to you. They're still passionate about you. They want passionate new beginnings for some. So let's see the true feelings, Aquarius. For some you are in separation. For some, even though you are in relationship with this person, this is a on and off connection. But your main focus is your career. Again, 9 of Pentacles. So yeah, they are at some crossroads right now. They have to make some decision before coming towards you. And yes, they're still hoping for this connection if you are in separation with this person. And Knight of Pentacles. I think they are thinking about you seriously, and they are taking this time. They're thinking about you this time very seriously, because Knight of Pentacles energy. They're planning to come back, they're planning, and they're in very slow moving energy. So let's see their true intentions, Aquarius. Under the deck, Ace of Swords with Three of Cups. They want reconciliation if you are in separation, and they want to say some truth. Yes, communication, truth coming out. The Tower here, and Four of Pentacles, King of Swords. I think your person is very straightforward in nature, and they're going through a tower moment right now if you're in separation with this person. And Four of Pentacles, maybe in past they're not expressed their feelings to you, maybe they're having hard time to express their feelings, but now your person want to express their feelings to you, Aquarius. Yes, there is communication with clarity is coming, and their feelings, definitely they're thinking about you positively. Maybe they started missing you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. For some third party situation also involved in this connection. I think you have options. Maybe you are confused. Sorry, this is your person. So they have options for some. They're going to be make the choice before coming towards you. And King of Pentacles, yes, they are thinking about to offer stability to this connection. And Eight of Wands under the deck, communication. Yeah, they're planning to communicate with you. Communication. And Aquarius, you are taking your control back. Now you are okay with or without this person. You are totally under your control. Wow, you are doing self love. You are focusing on yourself. You depend on yourself only for your happiness. I think you are finding happiness within yourself, and there is some positive shift is also some happiness, big happiness is also coming. And Ace of Pentacles, yes, you are wishing new beginnings with this person. And finances, there is stability in finances also coming. For some children's also involved in this connection. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. So truth coming out, new beginnings. I think you both want to work on this relationship, and it is in slow moving energy. Yes, I think you both are in slow moving energy because Eight of Pentacles, but it is stable. I think you both are thinking about new beginnings with each other. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aquarius. Family issues. I'm serious about you. I have too much going on my life. Please wait for me. And I want you back. Passion. Yes. Family issues. Yeah, for some third party also means family issues, friends, other man or woman. And I'm serious about you. Definitely they're serious about you, and they have too much going on their life. And please wait for me, and I wanting you back. And passion. They still have passion towards you. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Aquarius. Emotions are running high. Lot of readings got this card. And take time to breathe out. So if you're doing continuous work, this is the time for you take break. And emotions are running high. So if you're stressing yourself, if you're getting a lot of emotions, so you have to do meditation. Yes, do meditation to release those emotions. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.